What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know the uploads have been slow lately. It's because we haven't been spending that much time in the cars. We do this part-time, so we probably get like 2 hours a day to work on the cars. So we'll try to be a bit more consistent, try to get a video out every Saturday for you guys. So we do apologise in advance if we don't do that. Anyways guys, back to the car. So right now Z's finishing off the filler work on the flitch. He's just giving it a quick skim, getting the shape back on there as well. So while he's doing that, I'll be installing the steering wheel airbag. We have discovered a bit of undercarriage damage. So where you've got the subframe, there's a bracket that holds the one of the arms for the leg, and it's actually been welded on. And whoever's done the repairs has done a really poor job on the weld. Really, you should be replacing the subframe, not welding it back on. So what we will be doing is show you guys the poor botch job on the subframe, and hopefully getting that replaced as well. So yeah, we'll start off by doing the airbag. So I've just disconnected the battery. I'm about to remove the old steering airbag. Once I've done that guys, I've got the new one sitting just here. It's really simple. All you got to do is just pop it out. There's a hole back here. There's one this side as well. You just shove the screwdriver inside. Once you've unclipped it on both sides, it should pop straight out. Then all you got to do is just remove the wiring. Once that's done, just get the new one in, wire it up, just push it into place, and that's it. It's really simple. So I've just removed the old steering airbag, and looks like somebody's been messing about with it. There's no wiring for it as well, so it looks like somebody's just put the old steering airbag just back in. I don't know why they've done that, to be honest. I mean, that's actually pointless. But anyways guys, lucky for us, the airbag that we do have, it does have the wiring for it as well. So the new steering airbag is on. Guys, so this cover was not on properly, it was just sat there like that. I've just taken it off, and I've had a look up here. Behind the roof lining, the curtain airbag's actually been cut off. So somebody's just trying to hide the fact that the airbag was blown by just cutting it off and just tucking that in. So that was all tucked in, you see. So that's another airbag that we need. So I think we'll have to definitely give this car a full inspection just to see what airbags were blown. So I've just disconnected the battery, and if you look down here guys, you'll see that the positive battery terminal cord, the fuse that just sits here, it's been blown. Right now someone's bypassed it, that's why the power is turning on. But when the fuse actually goes, it stops the power from feeding through the car. It's a safety feature, so that way the car can't start, so there's no risk of actually catching fire. So what we're going to do now is replace the blown fuse with a new one just there. So that's the one we're just going to replace it with. So it's really simple. All it is, there's a bolt just back down there and one up here as well. We're just going to loosen it up and get the new one in. So yeah, let's do that now.
The A-pillar's been all filled off, and it's got a nice skim of it to give it that nice finish, so I'm happy with the way that's turned out. Also, it did take a lot of time, the way it's got different shapes all the way around. It's not like a normal panel. Yeah, so it's come out quite good. The flitch needs finishing off. There's still a bit of work that needs doing on it, but yeah, once that's all been done, we're gonna seam seal it where it needs sealing. There's a seal that runs along these two joints here, all the way up to around here, and there's another seal that goes in between this joint here. So we'll have to seal it up. Once the seal's on, we can start priming it. And also I've spotted a little dodgy repair. If you look down here on the subframe, somebody's actually welded it up on this arm. So someone's welded this up, so that must have been cracked, and it's just been welded. So that's really a bad job, and it's unsafe to be on the road. So we can definitely get that replaced and do the job properly. Whoever's done the repair on the subframe should have really replaced it, but they bodged it up and welded it. So what we're going to do is we're going to order another subframe and fit that once it arrives.
So I've got the positive battery terminal all wired up now. This is the one that I took out with the blown fuse. So now all that's left to do is just to put the battery in and get it wired up. So the positive is connected, but I've left off the negative. We don't really need the power to the car right now as we are working on the car, so for safety reasons we have left that off. Guys, so the bumper and the flitch are almost prepped now. All we got to do now is just finish off the fill work on the bumper. Once that's done, we'll get them in primer. That will be the next video. We do need to order some parts. We need to order the curtain airbag for the driver's side, the subframe as well, and there's various other bits and bobs I need ordering as well. But for now, guys, we can call it a wrap for the video. Before we end the video, let us know what kind of modifications you want to see to the car. Carbon fibre, straight pipe, whatever you want to see, let us know. We might actually do it. So yeah, guys, we can call it a wrap and we'll see you in the next video.